Hello, hi. Okay, today we'll be unboxing one MG from Gundam Base Limited. This is a Gundam Base Limited Unicorn Gundam Luminous crystal body. This is an image from the app. Then this one price around 350 to 400. So, back. The info for Gundam Base. And you can see here the crystal mostly on the upper body, and the underlay also have but quite small compared to upper body one. So let's see what inside here. First pack is got one sticker for the eyes and the horn, the V-fins, the normal sticker. And I see the armor part is like pearl coating, like a grey pearl coating, not pearl finish, pearl finish. So this is sticker. So there's parts for hand, finger. So you can see here like a shining coat. Color is diamond, pearl grey. Next is in the frame also green color. So L, and this clear part, crystallized clear part, clear green. Same, I think this is same. Okay, same clear part, green color. I think the color on camera seems quite different compared to real color. So the under eye in the frame also in green, metallic green color. And the M, so funnel and some body parts. This is the G armor for the leg. Then this is the J in the frame and the finger. So also got this normal finger. Maybe you can got two options. This one R for the leg, R1, and the head part here. This is the leg. This is U1 for the body, and I think for the head, this one hand parts. But this seem a different color compared to the initial one. Seem different. See like a different color. Maybe when we complete build, you can see the different color. The part for the leg and backpack. Base, action base, got a blinking The shining, same as the base here, sparkling. And check the parts for inner frame. Set the body here. Then this one is color is different. For me, I see it's a different. This is like a normal one. This crystallized inner frame. K, run K. U2 is armor for the shoulder and hands. This armor in the frame inside. So green metallic. This this two runner F. I think this for leg armor. Two runner F. And backpack. I got a D for shield and some armor, body armor, pilot figure, two pilot figure. Then another clear part, crystallized clear part. So it's set for inside armor, inside the body also. Maybe this one, this is a normal one. We not use all. We use for the shield only. Need the shield one. Shield. So mostly on the body we use a crystallized this. So enough the runner part. You can see the manual here. I put first. Okay, this manual. Okay, see here got some part cross here, means not all item we use. So shield, we don't have shield. So many parts here we cross here. Same here. Okay, so first chest, head, arms, left, arms, waist, leg and backpack. No weapon here. First for chest unit, then this head unit. They similar as normal unicorn. Arms, use a finger, adjustable finger like this. Then left arms, shoulder, finish the upper body, waist, legs, and backpack. Lastly the base, base. I think that's all. No weapons. It will be finished something like this. And this is a color card. This is sticker card. If you want to put sticker on the kits. So that's all for unboxing Gundam Base Limited Unicorn Gundam Luminous Crystal Body. Okay, thank you. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye.